let's look at some other words that are very useful. So consequently, as a result as, the consequences. These things happen, and that must happen. As a result of. Let's have a look. As a result of. As a result of. So I am going to learn Spanish. Consequently, I need to practice my Spanish. Consequently, I need to go to Spain. I have more video ideas. Consequently, I'm going to record them. I always have ideas. Consequently, I need to write them down before I forget. Very important, and I do. So consequently, I am going to go. I am hungry. So consequently, I will eat. I'll eat that. I like to go biking, so consequently I will plan when it is I'll go again. So is Monday today? So Monday, so consequently I will go biking next Sunday, maybe Friday, depending on things. So eventually it will happen in time. It will happen in time. I'm going to go biking eventually at the Wrekin. I want to go to Russia. I will eventually find the time. I need to learn, well, I'm thinking of learning Portuguese. I will get started eventually, sometime in the future. I want to... I have loads more courses to create for English. Plenty more videos, and I will record them and upload them eventually. Eventually. I got loads more ideas I need to create or record eventually. Or we could start the sentence with it. Eventually, I will figure out a plan. Eventually, I will publish another novel. Eventually, I will finish this course. Eventually, it will be night time. Makes sense. Furthermore. So more things, we could say. More things. Or as well as. As well as. So I teach English. Furthermore, I want to teach Spanish eventually. Makes sense. I am learning I'm learning Spanish. Furthermore, I think I need to learn Portuguese or Arabic. Not so sure just yet. But I have got enough pens to record plenty of lessons. Furthermore, when I run out of ink and run out of pens, I can always record them on the computer, on the desktop, instead of with the whiteboard. Could work, maybe. I have got loads of books to read. Furthermore, I have plenty more to buy. Consequently, I have too much to read. And I will eventually finish every book. Right now, I'm reading Lord of the Rings, The Two Towers. And eventually, I'll finish it. Maybe end of January 2021. And furthermore, I've got another novel to read. I'm not sure when to get started. By Ayn Rand, Fountainhead. Some big books here. However, but. Ah, but. Ah, but. However. I like writing novels, however. No. I like reading books, fiction and non-fiction. However, I want to write another novel. I like reading non-fiction. However, I still need to write more books in the future. Ah, but. I want to learn Portuguese, however, I need to finish Spanish first. I might learn Arabic, however, Spanish is more important. I can't decide between Portuguese or Arabic, however, more people speak Arabic than Portuguese. I might go to South Africa. However, I'm not sure when. I will eventually go to South Africa. Furthermore, I might also go to Rwanda. Maybe. Ideas, options, choices, maybe. However, this could be in the future, years in the future, so I have no idea. Okay. So consequently, I need to plan now. Consequently, I need to record these courses, get all these ideas on here, and record them, upload them, and then I can plan other things in the world. I will eventually travel to a lot of countries. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Furthermore, I need to go everywhere. I need to go to Colombia, Ecuador, Rwanda, Namibia, Morocco, where else? Saudi Arabia and beyond. Turkey, everywhere. How cool is that? However, there are a lot of however, I'm not sure how much time I need to spend in each country. 2-3 weeks, maybe. Depends. Yeah, I don't know. But how cool is that, Language Explorers? Let's keep going.